All right, we just finished my session here at Affiliate Summit, and now we're gonna go check out the meat market. And the meat market is basically, it's just a little informal thing for us to meet, network. They all have a table, no one have any exhibits, but it's kind of cool. Let's go check it out. All right, let's go in there. How you doing, buddy? Good to see you again, man.
Well, you're speaking, right?
Yeah, I already spoke.
You already spoke?
Yeah, we just finished up.
Nice, awesome.
Yeah.
Well, it was good seeing you again. Is Jeremy around?
Yeah, Jeremy, he was my,
yeah.
I think he's still over there. He's still there.
Yeah, I want to say hi to you guys. I haven't seen you since...
That's a long time.
Yeah, Fiji?
Yeah.
2 or 3 years ago. So.
All right.
Yeah, good to see you, man.
Good to see you, too. The meat market is a lot noisier and very, very busy, but it only lasts 6 hours. It's also less expensive because everyone just have table if they don't have regular exhibits and stuff. How you doing?
How are you?
How you doing, man?
You coming tonight?
Oh yeah, we'll be here tonight.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So we get the same suite?
Yeah.
The chairman suite.
We'll have bottle service.
Yeah, okay, we'll be there.
Want all that.
Okay. Great. So we'll see you tonight.
Yeah, sounds good. See you guys.
Yeah, that was Matt, my host skater rep. We're having a party tonight. Yeah, football's in season, so this is showing the football game. And when it does show the football game, everyone can be crowded around here and not talking about affiliate marketing.
Good, man. Stay busy. Paparazzi.
How you doing, John?
How you doing, buddy?
Good to see you, man.
This is Kevin.
Nice to see you. What's up,
Mr.
guys?
XY7. I mean, long time ago, this guy sponsored my team in the Top Affiliate Challenge.
Yeah, we did.
That's right. That's right.
15 years ago.
What the hell is that?
It's a marshmallow helmet, a DJ.
It's a marshmallow helmet?
Yeah.
Oh, for to be a DJ?
Yeah, DJ Marshmallow.
Oh, cool. So, DJ Marshmallow?
Yeah.
There's actually, so he's like,
Yeah, people put it on.
Amazing. I love myself so much.
Yeah, exactly.
Dead mouse has nothing on me. It's Stefan Spencer.
Yes, it is.
That's right. Mr. SEO himself.
What are we going to call you? We're going to call you Steven Spencer?
Yeah, no, this is Stefan Spencer. So, for the longest time I kept saying Steven Spence. I don't know why. But now we know it's Stefan Spencer.
He said he was going to call
Out of
you.
SEO. Yeah. I put a mnemonic tip in my mind saying Stefan.
Yep.
Yeah, every time I see you, I'm seeing a French baguette now.
Yeah, but I hope that you at least associate some powerful SEO tip with my name now, so that I made you like a ton of money.
I see a French baguette.
Okay.
One of the reasons we go on the meat market is to go on a swag hunt. There's always swag coming around, like Snickers bar, because I could use a Snickers bar. But I think I'm gonna have a contest on who can get the best swag. You got t-shirt. Oh, this is kind of cool. What is this? It's football time, right? What is this?
Squishy thing.
Oh, it's a little squishy thing. All right. Squishy football. Okay, cool. You notice that there's a lot of booth baits missing now?
Yep.
I guess in a year of Me Too, it means no more booth baits.
That's right.
Yep, that's right. Cookie. See? I stole your cookie. Ooh. Hi, Lopez is here.
Hello. How's it going?
Where is
Yeah,
he?
Mr. Crypto.
He is.
Is he talking to you?
He's talking to.
He asked me to do a webinar with him, but I haven't got back to him.
Oh no. Hi.
Yeah. WP Engine, they're hosting MTTB Elite, right? Yeah, they host MTTB Elite. But WP Engine recently raised $250 million in a round of funding. How they did that, I have no idea. How did you do that?
We don't know that.
Who did you con to get $250 million from?
You know what we do.
The great thing about Affiliate Summit is that they have a bar. That's right. So while you're walking the meat market, you can get a drink. Now, normally you got to pay to get a drink, but we got VIP drink tickets, don't we? VIP drink ticket. Do we need one right now? Maybe not right now. Yeah. It's that thing again. This thing is at every Affiliate Summit. It's very crowded and very noisy in here. And people are drinking beer.
Guys, you want to have all access, right?
Yeah, I want the all access pass. That's right. And he's the man to give it to me.
So the other one you have gets you up on the balcony, and then this one will be for the downstairs pre-party between 9 and 10.
Okay, so we got a pre-party as well. Awesome.
I'm D-Money. I'm the guy that brings all the honey.
Bring the
Right
honey.
there, we got the honey. We got 2 of our girls that are going to be dancing at the party tomorrow. We got my girl Val that's helping me out this time around.
She's just regular.
Yeah, and by the way, if you didn't know, we got Method Man and Digital Underground with Young Hum performing, and it's going to tear it up. Method Man's going to do the Wu-Tang classics and his own, and John Chow is supposed to be there. Am I right?
That's right.
We'll try. You know, so many parties going on. Anyway.
Darren's awesome. He doesn't care about me too.
All right.
See, he doesn't care.
He doesn't care. He doesn't care.
All right, awesome.
Have a good one.
Yeah. Here we have the self-professed most influential person in affiliate marketing today.
You know it.
How you doing? That's right.
How you doing?
And he's sitting next to actually the most impressive person in affiliate marketing today. Yeah, affiliate summit is going to Europe. London, right?
Yep.
Rule Britannia, I say. Yeah, would you explain why this month this year Fleet Front features a double-decker next to Westminster Abbey? No, that's Big Ben.
It's Big Ben, yeah.
Yeah, Big Ben. All right. Westminster Abbey is next door, I believe.
Yes, yeah, it is.
That's right. There it is. Yeah. Check out this guy's camera. He's got the setup. That's right. Look at that, huh? He's got the shotgun mic. He's got the. He's going to a Zoom recorder. Got the. He's got the Sony, the SLR, not the. Yeah, cool. And he's got this mic happening too. He makes my setup look pretty dinky. Man, look, actual professional interview setup.
Yeah.
With microphone, with an affiliate summit thing on the mic.
Yeah.
Got the lighting. They're getting more professional now. That's pretty awesome. Okay, so this is the affiliate summit meat market. It's very crowded, a lot of fun, a lot of action happening. And right now I could use a drink. So I'm gonna go get a drink. That's it for this coverage today. There'll be more coverage of Affiliate Summit later on or tomorrow. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any episode. Like and share my video, and we'll see you guys on the next episode. For a Corona. There you go. Is the John Chow rule still in effect on these drink tickets?
Yeah.
Is it what it says? Does it say 2 per visit?
Oh, it doesn't say that.
Oh my God! No more John Chow rule.
Yeah.
They get rid of it. After all these years, I've been finally my walk of shame or whatever has been removed. See, it used to be a long time ago. I used to like take everybody's drink ticket, and we would empty out her, take all the beer, bring it back to the blogger lounge, and have a beer party. And the problem was that we never drank it all. So when the show was over, we left about almost 100 beers behind, and the Affiliate Summit had to pay for it because it's gone, right? So ever since that incident, 2 times, they put in a 2-drink limit when you go to the bar, and then that was called the John Chow rule, but I see it's gone now. So you know what that means? We can do it again.